video, and today I am making another video really quickly. I'm not supposed to be doing this. You should thank me that I'm actually doing this. Let me just get on with the video. So, okay. So I want to show you the. No, buddy. Okay, buddy. No. Okay. So this guy, you can see, like, he is actually trying to fly and stuff. And he actually got some feathers on his legs. Like, he's actually getting feathers. Like, real life feathers. Not just fuzz, but actual feathers. Like, you can see everything's getting more fuzzy and stuff than, like, the other ones. So I think that's a pretty good change. Go down, my buddy. Now I'm going to show you the lowest one. He probably won't cooperate much. So you can see this guy is doing really well. He really doesn't want to be here, but he's the star of the camera right now. Doing the chicken dance. Chicken dance. Okay. So, like, compare these two, that one to this one. Yeah, but we'll get there some point. And so, it's really cool to see how my chickens are growing. Like, go back to, I dare you to do this. Go back to Chicken Vlog 1 and see how far our chickens have grown. And then put it back down in the comment section. Please do that, and thank you. Watch Chicken Vlog 1 and see how tiny they were back then. And tell me how much they changed. I would thank you so much if you did that. So, see you guys next time. Hope you guys enjoyed.